With access to up-to-the-minute traffic information, the latest fuel prices, and places of interest on any given route, Peugeot 3D Connected Nav is one step away from having your very own co-driver. When you buy a Peugeot with a connected 3D Nav system, you get a free 3-year subscription to live services provided by real-time traffic by TomTom. This can be activated at your retailer or from the comfort of your own home. Using your existing Peugeot ID that you created for the My Peugeot app, head over to the Peugeot service store, choose the services you'd like to continue and check out. Once subscribed, it will need to be activated within the car. You should only activate connected services or amend the settings when you're safely stopped, and you do not need to focus on the road ahead. Depending on the model of your vehicle, you'll need to do one of the following. On the navigation screen, click on the cog icon to select a user. From the navigation screen, select Messages. Then Connection Service. Make sure the services says Activated. If it doesn't, press the globe to refresh. If it still doesn't work, log into the service store to ensure it's been activated. Then return to the Messages screen and select Private Mode. Sharing data and vehicle position needs to be selected for the live services to work. In the Messages screen, services will then show as available. On the Nav screen, click on Menu, then Settings, then the Map tab. To access connected services, which is what we want to do here, click on Authorize Sending Information. You can modify this setting at any time if you don't wish to share your location. This will interrupt vehicle services though. Confirm by clicking OK. You may now check service activation by clicking on the notifications icon, then Connection Service. Click the globe icon to refresh, and connected services should now show as activated. If for some reason it says not available, please contact your local retailer. If it says connected, services unavailable, you may be in a zone with little to no signal coverage. If this is the case, please move your vehicle and click the globe icon once again. Remember, if the car isn't equipped with connected nav, it's possible to use your smartphone as a hotspot too. There's a guide on how to do this on the Peugeot website. The real-time traffic by TomTom logo should now be visible in the bottom right corner of your screen. All that remains is to choose the services you want to see. To do this, click on the map settings icon and choose which items you'd like to appear on the map.